Hi and welcome to our mobility challenge. This is the first workout. Are you ready? Have you got a glass of water nearby? We're only going to do 7 minutes and we're focusing today for our first session on your shoulders. So if you're feeling quite tense, quite stiff around the shoulders, just take it gently. Take your time, big deep breaths, in through the nose, out through the nose. And you can do this seated. If you've got a stability ball, you could be sitting on your ball, you could be on a chair, you could do it in your office, you could do it at your desk, on your settee. Just enjoy. And we have another 30 mobility workouts for you. So make sure you leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, put on the bell notification, and when you've done the workout, let me know in the comments because I want to hear from you. So I'm going to put on this beautiful music and we are going to begin. Are you ready? Let's go. Come with me. Okay, so if you are standing, I want you to focus on your posture. A little bit of a core connection, so that means just slightly contracting your core muscles. Bring your shoulders back and down. So relax your shoulders away from your ears. Take your hands down by your side. Deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose. We are going to start with some shoulder shrugs. Are you ready? Let's go. Lift the shoulders. So easy up and down to begin with. That's quite a pace. I'll come forward so you can see me. Have a smile. Feel positive. We are moving every single day. Now take your right shoulder only. So it's 4 on the right. There you go. And then 4 on your left. That's it. And then both together. So we're lifting up and down. And then right and left. Single, single. Can you feel that feels? Yeah, we got that. Now with your shoulders, bring them forward, center, back, center. Do it again. Forward, center, back, center. Again, just forward, center. Now if you were doing this a bit slower than me, no problem. Forward, center, back. Now put your right hand on your shoulder and just circle it. So if you can really think how your shoulder is moving. Does it feel stiff? Does it feel grindy? How does it feel? Let me know. You can tell me after. Now bring that shoulder and circle it forwards and see how much range of motion that you have. Can you do a full circle or have you got limited amount of motion? And then you can keep checking this every day and see how you're improving. Take the left hand on the shoulder and ease the shoulder around. There you go. We are moving, we're investing in our health, our well-being. And not only is this going to loosen off your shoulders, it's going to give you a big boost mentally. The other way, whenever you move your body, you release the happy hormones. So your natural serotonin and dopamine levels are going to shoot up. It's going to make you feel better. Good, one more. Now both hands on the shoulders, here we go. Big circle round, all the way. You've got it. One more. Bring the hands down, go back just to your shoulders. Lift and lower. Now, what about your neck? Does your neck feel quite stiff? Look over your right shoulder to the center and left. So it's right, center and left. So again, just look over the shoulder and we will do a neck section in one of our mobility workouts. Now look up to the center and then look down, chin to chest. So look up and down. Look up again. One more, look up and then look down. Good, now with your arms we're going to lift for 2. We open, so we squeeze back with the shoulder blades, bring your arms forward and release. So if I turn this way, you lift up, we open. So this is the back of the shoulders. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Do it again. We're lifted up, 2. We open. Squeeze the shoulder blades back. Bring your arms forward and down. Now both arms lift and lower. So this is a front raise. And this is working the front of your shoulder, your anterior deltoids. Now take both arms out to the side. There's your lateral raise. There you've got it. I turn this way, palms behind, lift both arms up behind your back. So this is the back of your shoulders, this is your posterior delts, and you can do all of these exercises sitting down. Good again. Lovely, one more. Now take your arms forward, out to the side, and then turn the palms back and lift up for 2. You've got it again. Here we go. We lift, lower, out to the side, turn the palms back. Fantastic. And again, let's lift it up. It's a little combination. Out to the side, turn and pull back. Now big circle with your right arm. Again, notice how much range of motion have you got. Can you go all the way around? The other side, left, hit the shoulder, circle round. Good, one more. Now both shoulders together. Here we go, big circles. Do it again. One more. Good, now just side bends right and left. So just relax your shoulders. Good, good. One more. Lovely, both arms forward. So our little combination, forward, out to the side, pull back for 2, and then circle with your right side and left, and then both together, all the way back. One more. Side bend to the right. It's going to give you some energy, and then we're going to close out with some shoulder stretches. Now just swing your arms forward, center, out to the side, pull back, good, and relax. Okay, now clasp your fingers. Now turn this way. Take both arms up and just stretch out your shoulders. So you're taking your arms back over your shoulders. Take your hands behind your back and lift both arms up behind you. Stretch your chest and your shoulders. Good, now lace your fingers, drop the head down, stretch. Good, release and just lift and lower. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, good, and relax. Well done, just circle your shoulders. There you go. Workout 1 in the bag. Please comment below, let me know how you get on. Share this video across your networks. If you know anybody that wants to get moving and mobile, please share this video or tag them in the video so that they can do it. And remember to check back tomorrow for workout number 2. Have a lovely day, have a lovely evening. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you on the next mobility workout.